So looking at this current Bitcoin price action, we can see, guys, the price of Bitcoin is doing exactly like how we predicted. A breakout from this resistance line, which is turning the price of Bitcoin go completely parabolic. So will this continuation continue? Will Bitcoin make another new all-time high, or what kind of scenario should we expect next? So please, guys, before I jump into it, before I start talking about it, let's destroy that like button and let's try to reach at least 1,000 like in this video. Thank you very much. Now, first thing first, like always, we are still following this parabolic curve pattern. And on my previous video, I have been very clear with you guys. Bitcoin has been very bullish. Bitcoin has been following this parabolic curve pattern in a weekly time frame. So any sort of a pullback, if you zoom out, will be giving us a buying opportunity. Yes, guys, I was there shouting on top of my lungs that pullback doesn't mean we are bearish, because Bitcoin in a bigger picture still looks bullish, still following some of the most bullish scenarios. And if you look at it now, you can see this parabolic curve pattern is lining up perfectly. And if you look at this weekly candle, this weekly close could be even more parabolic. Yes, guys. If you look at this base 1, if you look at this base 2, base 3, base 4 formation from this parabolic curve pattern, Bitcoin has officially formed base 4, and now we are breaking out. And after a breakout from base 4, what usually happens? A blow off top type of formation, and only after that a reversal, which could bring the price of Bitcoin back below $100,000. Yes, guys, according to this parabolic curve pattern, we have a blow off top type of formation left, and only after that a reversal, which could bring us below $100,000. So until then, any sort of a pullback could be giving us a buying opportunity. And why? Because it's not just only in a weekly time frame. Even monitoring this in a daily time frame, Bitcoin is officially breaking out from the symmetrical triangle. Despite the bias for symmetrical triangle being neutral, I was there shouting on top of my lungs that this will be a bullish continuation, because we found out that Bitcoin parallelly was also following another bullish continuation pattern. So that's why we found out that this here will be resulting in another bullish continuation. And if this bullish continuation plays out, then you can see the price objective sits around $134,000. Yes, guys, $134,000 will be looked as our upcoming target according to this symmetrical triangle. And this price target actually makes a lot of sense, because price parallelly is also following this 1, 2, 3 reversal pattern. Yes, guys, this is another bullish continuation playing out for Bitcoin. So what could be happening here is more of a sideways movement, even a small pullback, but the in movement could look somehow like this, just like from this example, a continuation of an uptrend after some sideways movement or after some pullback. So please do not get fooled. Even if Bitcoin in the medium short term, instead of a bullish move, starts showing weakness, it could be just a temporary weakness before expecting a continuation in this manner. And why? Because the price of Bitcoin, according to our leading indicator, has officially broken out of this R2 line. R2 line now, along with this R1 line, will be acting as support for Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin remains around $123,700 in the medium short term, then the next area of confluence which could be attracting us is $129,500, our no-brainer price target. But in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm also going to add another the highest move Bitcoin could reach according to our leading indicator, which is this R4 line. This R4 line sits around $134,000. So that's why, guys, that's why maybe not just only the no-brainer price target, but the best case target according to this 1, 2, 3 reversal could play out, according to this symmetrical triangle could play out, and even according to this leading indicator, CPI indicator, could play out. But for us, what matters is simply remaining above these key trend lines, R2 and R1 line. So if Bitcoin manages to remain above this trend line, then the upcoming days for Bitcoin is considered very, very bullish, because Bitcoin has also started another impulsive move. I mean, according to this Williams alligator indicator, just like what happened here in the past price action, Bitcoin has officially made a bullish cross. So any sort of a pullback, this same trend line will be holding us, and price of Bitcoin after that is expected to continue in this manner. Higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern type of formation despite RSI appearing in a overbought area. Yes, guys, despite RSI appearing in an overbought area, I still believe Bitcoin has a lot of room to the upside, because to the downside along with this RSI line, despite appearing in an overbought area, if you look to the downside, if you look at this MACD, the MACD line is still very, very bullish. So that's why any sort of a pullback, the same trend line which during downtrend acts as resistance here, will be acting as support for Bitcoin, because we know parallelly Bitcoin has also broken out from this Bollinger Band. Yes, guys, the upper band from this Bollinger Band usually gets broken when the price is in an uptrend, and I've been very clear with you guys. Any sort of a pullback now, even the central line or the basis line will be there holding us, acting as support. So that's why please do not panic. If Bitcoin shows weakness, if Bitcoin starts free falling, instead of a bullish move, another bearish continuation, please zoom out, because in a bigger picture, Bitcoin still looks very bullish, and this pullback could be giving us a great buying opportunity. So in case of doubt, what I'm suggesting you to do is to simply zoom out. So guys, these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this $30,050 bonus from Bybit, then definitely check the video description, because these events are temporary, and if you are an experienced trader who want to take advantage of this market volatility, then the time to act is now. And by saying this, I'm signing out. Until next time, bye bye.